All right, so this episode of SuperChef versus Supermarket, I want to keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? When you wake up early in the morning, you try to cook that breakfast. I wanted to see what this boar's head fully cooked bacon was about, man. Because I know we all see it in the grocery stores. But let's take this back to the kitchen. Let's see if it's worth the hype or if you should just cook your own bacon. All right, back in the kitchen now with some bacon. Bacon. Did you know that bacon thing had bacon? That's not real bacon. That's flavored pieces that you just put on your salads. Just a little note for you in case you didn't know. But okay, today we're about to taste this fully cooked bacon. We've all been tempted to buy fully cooked bacon on our lazy days, right? We've all seen it in the grocery stores, and never in the refrigerator section, which messes with people. Like, why is bacon not cooled? But it's fully cooked bacon, and I wanted to try it out for all the people at home who may have thought about getting it like myself but never did it. First things first, let's just start this thing off with price, man. Let's dive straight into it. We know it's bacon. We know what it's going to taste like. But as far as price, this is $6.49, I believe, right? $6.49. Normally, bacon costs about $5.49, so it's $1 more than normal bacon. And it has about half the amount of slices. This has 8 slices. I mean, bacon usually has like 15 to 16 slices of bacon in it, mattering what you're getting. So price is going to be hard. It matters about time. This is for the person who doesn't have much time on their hands, that needs to have their bacon in their office, have a microwave in there, and they want to warm it up like that. So if that's your lifestyle, then you would probably get this price in A, because they're charging you that much because it's fully cooked. You know what I'm saying? They took some time to cook it, so now they're charging you for it. But if you have some time, you know what I'm saying, that extra dollar and the twice as much bacon may matter to you. So $6.49 for bacon right now. I give price C-. C- on price. Nutrition, it's bacon. Never really been good for us. You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you want to say? You know, we eat bacon, we shouldn't be eating it, but I mean, we do it anyway. Nutrition, it is what it is. It's 1,000 better products and more nutritional ways of getting meat in your breakfast or in your food. But I still choose bacon just like you at home. So it is what it is. It's not healthy. You shouldn't be eating it, but we do, and I will, and I support bacon. But nutrition, you just gotta fail. It's not a nutritional product. It just is what it is. And this ain't for boar's head bacon, F. This is for all bacon, F. You know what I'm saying? Except for turkey bacon. That ain't real bacon, and it don't taste good. It tastes like paper, cardboard paper. I wish I should taste that. Coming up next, turkey bacon. But nutrition, it gotta be an F. Stay away from it if you want to. I'm not going to. Neither is my family. So we choose the hard way. But taste-wise, so first thing first, before I taste it, it says thick cut bacon. I've had many thick cut bacons. This ain't one of them. This is like a normal slice of bacon that you would get at a grocery store. Like, this is not the thick cut that you get sometimes like this. This is just as paper thin as a normal slice. So it's not really thick cut. And when you get it, it's like par cooked. They want you to microwave it just to get it hot and crispy. That threw me off too. Didn't lose none of the bacon flavor. Taste, I mean, it's bacon. What do you want me to say? If you had it, you either love it or you don't like it. But most people love bacon. A+ on taste. My tip on this is, the only reason to buy this product is because it fits into a lifestyle. So this has to be something that stays in the refrigerator at work and in your offices. That you may have a lot of people come in, you got fruit for them, you can put bacon up there for them, like you got pre-done eggs from Starbucks. This is a good product for that. But I mean, cook your bacon, people. It's simple. You get more bang for your buck. I mean, you get a bacon tray, throw it in the microwave, oven it if you need to. But I would say overall, I'd give this bacon product, I mean, give it a C. And the reason why I give it a C is because I'm not for sure you need it in life. You know what I'm saying? I think you may want it, but I'm not for sure you need it. Tastes like bacon, look like bacon, price point not as good as bacon, and you don't get as much bacon as you normally get when you buy bacon. So that's why I gave it a C. But it is what it is. If I was a doctor in my doctor's offices, this would be in there because that's all we got is a microwave, and we just want to give people some breakfast. So it is what it is. You let me know what you want to see. DM us. SuperChef versus Supermarket. We will be coming to a grocery store near you soon. You heard it right. We will be pulling up at a grocery store and doing this insider one. So y'all get ready for that. DM me. Let me know what you want to see.